same bag.
Literally never used it though. Yeah, I've never used it. Like it's still like, but like
That's just some of my go-tos.
I saw it and I was like, I really should actually use that. It's adorable.
I was literally in
Yeah, it's
Las
just
Vegas
like
for work.
I didn't see it. And it matches your dress.
I would say,
Oh, that's nice.
I thought we were going to see him and then no, he might.
I did the 5K and the 10K. And then he did the half.
And then
No,
a
I did not
marathon.
do the marathon.
I
I
remember
did
we
the
did the
10K.
10K, yeah.
Wow.
No, I'm not brave enough for a marathon.
Another mile worry.
After you're done, my cut off. What?
That's like a lot of work.
Sun in your eyes?
Oh, look at that crowd of people then.
Yeah.
I had a feeling.
You believed.
Do you want your water? Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty?
It's right here. We can walk it, Lisa. Yeah.
There you go. You just wanted some water.
They have the hotel for the water.
Judah drinks water.
Yeah, we bought this morning at like 5:45. It's dark. Like the sun came up that day, I was heading back to Denver. What's that?
We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering a fine dining and service Monorail stop. Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom.
They have truffle fries if you'd like to.
Temporary resort and transportation.
Yeah, they have truffle fries if you'd like to.
That's what's up, buddy.